Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. It's evening of November 1st, 2020. It's a Sunday evening here in Central Ohio. I'm getting ready to just do some very quick analysis using a database and a spreadsheet called LibreCalc, but you can use Excel to try to determine where three things. First, where does the U.S. rank in terms of mortality rate being deaths divided by cases, and where do we rank in terms of cases and deaths? Now this what I'm doing, it has certain shortcomings because it doesn't take into account the size of the country, the population. Okay. So anyway, let's just come over here and let's just take a look. Take a look at them. I'm using a simple SQL statement. Countries. We'll create a summary table for cases, a summary column for deaths, and I'll pull from the European data set and group by countries. And here you can see that right over here. Okay, so we come over here now. First thing we do is we calculate the mortality rate, deaths divided by cases. We pull that down. Let's convert this to a percent. Then let's do this. Let's come back down here. Let's convert this to a number instead of a formula. So now it's a number, not a formula. Okay. Now let's come back over here. Back down here. Now let's sort by that rate. First thing we'll do is we'll get rid of from everyone who doesn't have a mortality rate listed. Okay. Sheet, delete rows. I'll come back up here. Now we got this sorter, right? So now we're going to number the rows. Okay. So now now we're going to rank it. So where does the United States rank? Let's see something. United States ranks 130th out of 190 in mortality rate. Okay. So where do we rank overall in terms of cases and deaths? Let's sort by cases, first of all. Let's come all the way down to, let's see if we can find US is down here again. So you can see we actually rank 130th last in terms of total cases and total deaths. All right. So that's not particularly good news, but again, because this is totals, it isn't going to reflect the decline in deaths, for instance, since April 16th. Okay, because the deaths have been declining since mid-April, and this is why total numbers are always a little a little tricky to work with, simply because it doesn't show you what's currently going on out on the street level. Okay. So anyway, you saw this. This is a very simple report I've done here. I've used a database to create a summary table, then a spreadsheet to calculate the mortality rate, and then do a sort by mortality rate, and then sort by cases and by deaths. All right. So anyway, so much thanks for your time. To see, we'll catch you on the next report.